Hey guys, my name is Mark from Line Up and Wait, a blog about all things travel. This is our first YouTube video, and today we are flying from Vail to Aspen, Colorado, the shortest commercial jet flight in the USA at just 29 miles. This is a part of the round-robin flight from Dallas to Vail, Aspen, and Montrose, invented by American Airlines to save money during the coronavirus pandemic. It satisfies their CARES Act requirements and still serves the citizens of each town. First, my dad drove my girlfriend and I up to Vail and agreed to pick us up in Aspen. As we arrived, our plane from Dallas flew overhead. Great timing. We were running late, only arriving about 35 minutes prior, but it was no problem. There were no check-in lines at the counters, and we were the only ones in security. It felt like we had our own private airport. Here's our CRJ-700 series aircraft, much improved over the smaller CRJ-200 aircraft and definitely more powerful than the CRJ-900 and CRJ-1000 variants, perfect for high mountain airports such as Vail and Aspen. Our flight was sold by American Airlines but operated by partner SkyWest. Aspen is only a 29-mile flight away and is currently the shortest commercial jet flight in the USA.
Our two flight attendants, Claire and Jessica, they'll be taking great care of you, so please under full cooperation this afternoon. We're on our way shortly, but you sit back and enjoy the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Flight time today is 35 minutes gate to gate, but with an air time of about 18 to 20 minutes. It could be even faster if we could go direct, but mountains are in the way. We'll see who wins. My dad is driving the hour and 22 minutes to Aspen as we speak. Once we depart, air traffic control recordings will be included. Thank you to liveatc.net. Once we contact Denver Center, we will be able to see our aircraft's recordings in blue, the rest will be in black. Unfortunately, I was not able to get Eagle Towers recordings or Aspen Approaches recordings. Enjoy.
29 miles. We're number one for departure. Claire, Jessica, please put the cabin.
Today we are filed for the Gypsum 6 departure, Kremling transition. We are departing on runway 25 and the instructions are as follows. It's going to be a climbing left turn heading 219, so about a 33-degree turn from runway heading, until crossing a radial from the snow or the red table VOR DME, pilot's choice. Then it's going to be a right turn on the 322-degree radial from the red table VOR DME to the Curly intersection. Then a right turn on the 231-degree radial from the Kremling VOR DME, and we're going to track that radial inbound to the Kremling VOR. We also have to comply with the takeoff climb gradient of 815 feet per nautical mile to 9,200 feet. This is most likely clearing that mountain. At 180 knots, that is about 2,445 feet per minute that we have to maintain until we climb above 9,200 feet. This shouldn't be a problem for the CRJ-700 series aircraft, depending on many factors. But when you lose an engine on departure, there must be a special procedure developed for SkyWest to continue climbing with one engine inoperative. In regular terms, we will take off, turn left to the southwest, climb quickly over the terrain, make a right turn to the northwest, and a further right turn to the northeast. Now let's watch the pros do it.
SkyWest 2986, Denver Center weather contact. Southwest 6883, contact approach 120.35. See ya. 850 Victor Juliet, squawk CFR, we'll talk to you later. SkyWest 2986, climb and maintain 17,000. On request. SkyWest 2986, right turn heading 120. SkyWest 52, contact Aspen 123.8. Calendar Papa Charlie, climb and maintain level 260. SkyWest 2986, contact Aspen 123.8. SkyWest 5907, contact Tower, see ya.
Head over 211 Charlie Foxtrot, Aspen Tower, you on?
Aspen Tower, Tower 52 on the localizer runway 15.
Guys, 52 Aspen Tower, runway 15, clear to land, wind 16012, gust 19er.
Runway 15, clear to land, Tower 52.
Get 252 traffic, 11 o'clock, 7 miles, westbound out the Cape, 12,600. If the tracks remain consistent, they'll pass behind you. November 211 Charlie Foxtrot, Aspen Tower, you on? Skip 2986, Aspen Tower, runway 15, clear to land, number 2, wind 16010, gust 19er.
15, clear to land, 29.
Skip City 252, traffic no factor. Number 211 Charlie Foxtrot, Aspen Tower. Skip 296, Gates will approach clearance, climb maintain 14,000, fly heading 150, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles, crossing into your final, 12,500 indicated.
Climb maintain 14,000 and 150.
Skip 396, traffic now 11 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, indicates 12,600, contact departure for resequencing 123.8. Phenom 300 Mike Golf, Aspen Tower, runway 15, clear to land, wind 16011, gust 19er, caution wake turbulence, regional jet on 2 mile final.
Okay, 15, clear to land, thank you, Mike Golf.
Phenom 0 Mike Golf, remain on or east of final traffic, 11 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, altitude 12,400.
Okay, I think that's looking more final, Mike Golf.
If you listened carefully, you would see that November 211 Charlie Foxtrot was causing issues for airplanes into Aspen. It ultimately forced us to cancel our approach and try again. Essentially, 211 Charlie Foxtrot's path took it right through the approach corridor for Aspen. SkyWest 5252 and Phenom 300 Mike Golf stayed clear, but we could not. He or she in the aircraft could have contacted Aspen Tower to let them know that they were crossing, but at 12,500 feet, they were out of Aspen's airspace and are not required to do so. A courtesy call would have been nice for the controller, but nonetheless, they did not break any regulations by not doing so. The controller did a great job keeping us separated, and we got some great views along the way as we did a second lap back around to get resequenced for the approach.
Jet 6252, turn left on able, taxi to parking, be Alpha, remain this frequency.
Okay, turn left and taxi parking, stay in this frequency, Sky 5252.
Skid 296, Aspen Tower, wind 160 at 10, gust 19, runway 15, clear to land.
If you are wondering why the aircraft looks like it's pointed at the ground here, it's because it is. We are on a visual approach, but the pilots most likely have it backed up with the localizer DME Echo into Aspen, shown here. If you look closely at the approach, the angle is 6.59 degrees, more than double the 3-degree glide slope that we normally use into other airports. We have to get down faster to the valley/bowl of Aspen. Now let's land.
Number 0, Mike Golf, turn left on able, taxi to parking, be Alpha, remain this frequency.
Aspen Tower, Gold Strike 19, establish VOR Charlie. It's field of sight.
Gold Strike 19, Aspen Tower, clear visual approach, runway 15, caution wake turbulence, spawn regional dead on a 4-mile final, runway 15, clear to land, wind 180 at 9er, gust 20.
Alright, clear to land, runway 15, Gold Strike 19.
Bravo Aspen Tower, runway 15, clear to land, wind 160 at 10, gust 20.
15, clear to land, that's just Bravo.
Skid 296, turn left on able, taxi to parking, be Alpha, remain this frequency.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Aspen, where the local time is 12:44 p.m. We ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on items properly stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned that seatbelt sign off.
Thank you again to all those at SkyWest, American Airlines, and both airports for making this flight happen. It was truly one to remember.
Once again, if you are continuing on this flight with us to either Dallas or Montrose, we ask, if you wish to deplane, we ask that you take all your personal belongings with you and hold on to your boarding pass and wait to reboard when your group number is announced.
Gus 3789 Aspen Tower, runway 33, clear for takeoff, wind 1204, Gus 18, instantaneous wind 1103.
Takeoff, runway 33, Gus 37.
After watching some planes depart, my dad arrived 20 minutes after we did. I guess it is faster to fly. Hungry, we headed into beautiful downtown Aspen and got some takeout from the 520 Grill. We ate by the gondola to stay socially distant, and we enjoyed our meal. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Also, check out our blog post. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.